Hello kids. Do you remember? Have got. Has got. Let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. The boy has got a dog. 2. The girl has got a red backpack. 3. I have got a bike. 4. The teacher has got a book. 5. The cat has got blue eyes. 6. We have got an ice cream. 7. The monster has got 3 eyes. 8. The robots have got long arms. 9. You have got a funny house. 10. We have got warm hats. Great job. You're amazing.